Hello friends and welcome to our channel, and today I show you something very basic and very simple, and it will be a hairpin. So this is just one piece of material which has 24 centimeters in length. First thing we do is we actually make it kinda even. So like this. Yeah. So now when it's relatively even, we take a measurement, and this is 24 centimeters, so we, I guess, make it 8 here, like this, and now we actually shade it a bit. So put it in the fire, start the torch, and there we go. That's the first thing. Kinda spiky here, and we do the same thing on the other end. Okay, come on. That would be the basis, and now we make something to look nice. So let's go there. This, for example, and now we make something here. So here. Okay. And one last simple operation, and we will be done with this. As I said, it's just a simple thing for basically starting this channel, so simple and quick. But we shall see another more complicated things in the future, I hope. Like this. Okay. And there it is. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and please like, subscribe, and all the other things, and see you next time with something else. Bye!
Taste the sesame